Yes, well, good morning everybody and welcome to this first costume workshop of 2022, and we're going to be taking you back to 1381 to that erroneously named Peasants' Revolt.
Let's start with big pants. Do I need breeches, think you chaps? Well, yes you do actually. If you want to hold your hose up, you need something to tie them to. This is your suspender belt. The deeper the colour is, the more wealthy you are.
The rebellion in 1381 included members of the knightly class. The local ringleader here was a chap called Lister, who was a dyer, a person who dyed cloth.
So a true black is a very expensive cloth.
So we mustn't think that it was just illiterate, dirty, scruffy baldric types who were wielding pitchforks and burning torches, beloved of Hollywood.
I've been involved with reenactments around the country over the years, and it's really exciting to be involved in one in my hometown. The Battle of North Walsham took place in June 1381, and it was linked to the national protest against the introduction of a poll tax.
Lister, who led this rebellion locally, ended up, of course, in very small pieces. And I think Bob Wright, is actually going to play Lister at the event. He's one of the organising committee here.
Our big event that's going to be taking place in July this year, the main event will be a battle on the Sunday, commemorating the Peasants' Revolt battle. But there will also be living history displays, jousting, fighting demonstrations. There'll be opportunity to have a go at archery, medieval cooking, and we see it as a great way to help promote the town and become an annual event and grow over the years. We also have grants and support from various local charities and organisations, so there's a wide sort of groundswell of support for the event, which is really great to see.
Anybody ever been to Tewkesbury? There's lots of medieval banners hanging in the town at Tewkesbury, and we're going to be doing the same thing here, and the schools are going to be involved with this, and they're going to get involved in painting shields and banners for the shop windows, and we'll hang those up for a month beforehand.
What sorts of cloth do you think that medieval clothing is made of? So ladies, head coverings are absolutely key. And you think, oh, I'm going to end up looking like a nun. Move your head around. Rather than wearing it as a standard hood, with 15th century examples, you tend to see this sort of
Worn like a scarf.
worn like a scarf.
And who was then the gentleman?